Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see recently deleted apps on iPhone or how to find deleted apps on iPhone. First, you will need to go into App Store. From here, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Purchased. Once you have selected that, you will see all of the apps that are currently on your iPhone, and the ones that were previously deleted, you will see the cloud icon beside them. And to get a better list, you will tap on Not on this iPhone, and here you will see all of the previously deleted apps, as you can see right here. And you will also see the date when you had downloaded them, as you can see right there. And that's it. Now if you would like to re-download one of them, you will simply tap on the cloud and it will start downloading the app. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.